Hey guys, how to fix connectivity problem in iPhone. Today in this video, I am going to talk about some method. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. So let's see. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. Method 2. Reset network settings. To do this, you go to Settings. After that, you click on General. From here, you scroll down. Now here you see the option Reset. You click on this. Now from here you click on Reset Network Settings. Okay, here you type your phone passcode. After typing phone passcode, this option will come. Here you see the option Reset Network Settings. You click on this. Okay, done. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method your problem will be solved. Thank you.